Hi families!
Hi, family.
So welcome back to another video with us. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can take a plain old white shirt and make it into something fabulous and gorgeous like this, or fabulous and gorgeous like this. Okay, we're not taking our shirts off. That's not this kind of video. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to take you step by step on what you need to do. Oh, the last video was the banana ice creams. Did y'all like that? Give us a like if you enjoyed that last video. But this video, miss, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna teach them how to make this kind of shirt. So don't forget to click that subscribe button and then keep on watching. Okay, one more time.
Yes.
Because you did a lot.
Yes.
That was a lot. Mm-hmm.
No, then.
For this project, you will need a white t-shirt, a box of crayons, an iron, some parchment paper, and lastly, a cheese grater. Make sure it's a cheap cheese grater. I got mine from the dollar store because this project will mess it up and you won't want to use it again for your food. Now that you gathered your supplies, you are going to go ahead and you're going to iron the shirt to make sure that it is ready for you to draw on, because you want the shirt to get really hot, and I mean hot, honey. And that's why during this time I did not have my daughter next to me, and I suggest you don't have your child next to you if you're doing this for a child, because you don't want the iron to fall and get on them, or for them to touch the fabric and to feel as if it burned. So just keep that in mind as you move through this part. But now that my fabric was nice and hot, I went ahead and I started drawing directly on the fabric with a crayon like you would on paper. And what you see is that the crayon is melting and gliding right over the fabric. And my fabric was nice and hot still, and I was able to go back with the crayon and darken the lines of the heart that I had created. And that's what you want. You want to make sure that the crayon just glides right over that fabric. And that's how you know that the fabric is hot enough. As I move into the next part, I'm going to go ahead and heat up the surface area that I'll be working on next. And I do that without any kind of barrier at this point because there are no designs there right now. So you see I am just heating that next area up, and then I can go take my crayon and begin to create the design that I want. Once I have some letters down, I make sure that I use a piece of parchment paper as a barrier between the shirt and the iron. That way I am not smearing the colors that I already set down. And you'll do this over the letters that you want to go back and make bolder. Once I'm done darkening the letters and creating the general design that I want to see, it'll be time to let my baby do her thing on her shirt. But watch as I take an opportunity to review letters with her before she even starts coloring. Wow, do you see the shirt?
Yeah!
Do you love it?
Yeah!
Oh my goodness, you want to color the heart?
No, I will tell my D.
Oh, you're going to tell me the letters?
Yeah.
Go ahead, what's this letter?
P.
And then R.
It's
The sun is like a O.
O.
And this one is
E.
and this is
D.
D, and it says proud.
Okay.
Now that we're done reviewing the letters, I let my daughter go ahead and color in her heart. Now, her color payoff isn't the same as mine because she was working on a cool surface, again, for safety reasons. But look at her, she's still having fun, wants daddy to help her, and that's what it's all about, connecting and having fun. For the next part, I take the shirt back into my hands and she is away from me, and that's when I'm using the cheese grater. And the cheese grater is going to help me shave the crayons all over the shirt, and it's going to look like confetti or sprinkles, whatever you want to call it. It just looks so cute and colorful, and I wanted her shirt to be just that, cute and colorful and vibrant. So you see me shaving those crayons, and you can see all those little specks of crayons. And I am going to be using a piece of parchment paper over that area to melt in the design. And I just iron, and you can see the crayon is melting right into the fabric, and it's leaving a beautiful, I mean, it looks like confetti cake, don't lie. Look at that end result on her. It just looks so cute. For my shirt, I did the same thing. Here I have a piece of parchment paper that I'm using to protect the design while I make the fabric hot so that I can go back in and darken each of the letters that I already have on there. And every time I need to do that and heat up the fabric, I use that piece of parchment paper so that I'm not smearing the colors that I've already laid down. But look at that, just so gorgeous. I am so happy with the way this turned out. I wore it immediately, like the same day I was out and about wearing their shirt. Now, let me tell you, if you try this at home, you better be taking a picture and tagging me so that I can see what it is you created. And in the comments below, let me know, what shirt did you like best? Did you like mine or did you like my daughter's? I personally like mine best, but I definitely think that the one that I created for my daughter was super, super cute. So please let me know what you think and subscribe to the channel. Till next time, take care, be safe, love ya.